Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between defensive dividend stocks and cyclical dividend stocks. Number 1. Defensive dividend stocks are dividend-paying stocks from companies whose businesses stay relatively steady in most economic conditions, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are dividend-paying stocks from companies whose results rise and fall more with the economic cycle. Number 2. Defensive dividend stocks are commonly found in utilities, consumer staples, healthcare, and other essential service sectors, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are commonly found in industrials, consumer discretionary, materials, financials, and energy. Number 3. Demand for defensive dividend stocks tends to remain steadier because their products and services are everyday necessities, whereas demand for cyclical dividend stocks often changes significantly as consumer and business spending rises or falls. Number 4. Defensive dividend stocks are less sensitive to recessions and economic slowdowns, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are more sensitive to expansion, contraction, and overall market sentiment. Number 5. Defensive dividend stocks usually produce more predictable sales and cash flow, whereas cyclical dividend stocks can experience wider revenue swings depending on economic strength. Number 6. Defensive dividend stocks are often known for steadier and more dependable dividend payments, whereas cyclical dividend stocks may have less predictable dividends and can be more exposed to earnings pressure. Number 7. Defensive dividend stocks often offer moderate yields with a focus on stability, whereas cyclical dividend stocks may show wider yield variation and can appear to have higher yields when prices fall. Number 8. Defensive dividend stocks often show gradual and consistent dividend growth, whereas cyclical dividend stocks may show stronger dividend growth during boom periods but weaker growth during downturns. Number 9. Defensive dividend stocks usually have relatively lower share price volatility, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are usually more volatile and more influenced by investor sentiment. Number 10. Defensive dividend stocks often hold up better during recessions or uncertain markets, whereas cyclical dividend stocks often underperform more when the economy weakens. Number 11. Defensive dividend stocks may lag during strong economic expansions, whereas cyclical dividend stocks often outperform more during recoveries and growth periods. Number 12. Defensive dividend stocks are popular with conservative, income-focused, and risk-aware investors, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are popular with investors seeking income plus stronger economic upside. Number 13. Defensive dividend stocks are generally seen as lower risk for dividend portfolios, whereas cyclical dividend stocks generally carry higher earnings and dividend risk. Number 14. Defensive dividend stocks are useful for portfolio stability, income consistency, and downside protection, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are useful for adding growth exposure and benefiting from economic rebounds. Number 15. Defensive dividend stocks are best known for resilient income and stability, whereas cyclical dividend stocks are best known for higher sensitivity to growth opportunities and economic cycles. In summary, defensive dividend stocks are generally better for stability and dependable income, whereas cyclical dividend stocks can offer more upside during strong economic periods but usually come with greater volatility and risk. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.